Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the image quality in the ZTE Blade A72s. So in the first step, open the camera app, then go to the settings by this little gear icon, and now just look for the... Previously you need to open the capture section. Now go to the settings, and how you can see the high picture quality. So if you want to take the photos with the highest quality available, just keep it on the super fine. But if you want to take the photos with the maybe poor quality but you're saving more space by it, just select the normal or fine. And now we can check the size of the photo in the lowest available quality, and is 0.1 megapixels resolution, and the size is, I don't know where is size. Oh, there we have a size. This is 9.4 kilobytes, so it's nothing. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.